Okay, number 1 is Karthik, second Ipsa, third Jasmine. Please speak up your answers.
Yes, ma'am. Every religion teaches that God is one.
Yes, every religion teaches that God is one. Exactly. Next is Ipsa.
Yes, ma'am. We looked everywhere for the lost file but could not find it.
Yes, we looked everywhere but we could not find it. Okay, next Jasmine. But I muted you, sorry. Please unmute.
She does everything to perfection either at work or at home.
Okay, let me ask one more student. What do you think, Shubh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Arshad is so confident that no one dares to challenge him.
But a third answer I'm asking. Fourth
He does everything to perfection, not only at work but also at home.
Okay, exactly. So, Jasmine, not only but also is more appropriate, or both at work and at home. Both और and भी चल जाएगा. ठीक है. और शुभ आपने fourth कौन सा बताया? Please let me know.
Ma'am, Arshad is so confident that no one dares to challenge him.
Exactly. Not only but also. This is your third one. And so second में that. Okay, well done. So Arshad is so confident that no one dares to challenge him. Okay. Okay, number 5. Jasmine number 5. Jasmine, please unmute. And others also, please raise your hand. Where are you, beta? Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Number 5.
Ma'am, actually, I am trying to find the answer.
Okay, the sentence says dash was the beauty. हाँ ये थोड़ा सा लग गया है. I am hoping कि बहुत कम बच्चों को आता होगा. Now let me ask Ipsa, then Shubh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think it was the beauty of the scenery that I was filled with wonder.
It is not a conjunction, so it can't be written here. Okay.
Ma'am, such
is correct. Yes. Such was the beauty of the scenery that I was filled with wonder. अगर आपको कई बार it की sense लगे तो always use such and then that. उसकी beauty ऐसी थी that I was filled with wonder. Such was the beauty of the scenery that I was filled with wonder. Okay. Next one. Shubh, please tell me next one. और इस exercise के बाद मैं बाकी बच्चों से जरा बात करती हूँ. Yes, please. Let me know beta next.
When we reached the venue, it was too late.
When we reached the venue, it was too late. Okay. When? Although भी आ सकता है, चाहे हम venue पे पहुंच गए, still it was too late. Okay. Madhav, please tell me number 7. Yesterday we did so many examples using this conjunction, if you remember.
No sooner had we started than the bell went off.
Exactly. No sooner had we started than the bell rang. Immediately after one another. Okay. Well done. Next one. Raise your hands, other students, please. I can't give turn to these students again and again. Hurry up, please. Yes, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, where there is a will, there is a way.
Where there is will, there is a way. This is a proverb also. Where there is will, there is a way. Where and there is also a conjunction together. Next, please. Okay, I'm starting from Jasmine then. Okay. Jasmine next.
Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes, beta, you are audible. Please tell me number 9.
My card has been neither stolen nor lost.
Neither nor or either or, both are correct. Either or neither nor. Okay, it's your wish. Okay, next one is Raghav.
Ma'am,
Raghav,
you have unmuted me.
If I were a pilot, I would fly the skies. Skis.
if I were a pilot, then dash dash dash. Okay. So please check your answers. Wait. Okay, please check your answers. If you have done, please check it. Then I'll move to the next exercise. Before that, I have to speak to the students. So beta, I'm telling you one thing. Turn on your video, give me response. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you all from the meeting. I'm giving you 10 to 20 seconds. I'll just wait for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Turn on video. I'm going to remove you. Ananya, are you there? Yes. Aditya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chahek. Chahek, unmute. No, this means you are not here. I'm going to remove you, Chahek. Saksham, Samarth, are you there? Samriddhi. Aditya, your video is again off, beta. Samriddhi, are you there? Speak up, beta. I'm going to remove you. Hurry up, please. Okay. I'm putting you in waiting room, Samriddhi. So जिनको मैं waiting room में डाल रही हूँ वो वहीं बैठे रहेंगे at least 15 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
देश इसके बाद आपकी वीडियो ऑफ हुई तो आपको मैं वेटिंग रूम में डाल रही हूँ.
मैम मेरा कैमरा वर्क नहीं करता मैम, दिखाया था मैम, काम नहीं कर रहा.
तो बेटा 1 मंथ होने वाला है तो ये काम नहीं करेगा तो कैसे चलेगा बच्चे?
पापा के पास टाइम नहीं होता.
काम नहीं कर रहा तो we can't teach you, then how will you feel? Yes, Guris.
You must buy a new dress.
You
must buy a new dress as well as new shoes for the party.
Okay, as well as and okay, all are correct. यहाँ पे cumulative conjunction चलेगी as well as और and, ठीक है? Okay. You must buy a new dress and new shoes for the party. So simply use and here, okay? So those who have just joined, I accepted Sahib Preet. Let me see his videos on or not. Sahib Preet, unmute. So I'm going to remove you now, not in waiting room. Okay. And Jyotin came. 1 minute, please. Amarjot, I told you to show black screen, please. Abhi bhi video off hai aapki. Aditya. Sonam, turn on video. Devang, turn on video. Hurry up, please. Okay, tell me answer now again from the beginning. Karthik, Madhav, Gaurish, one by one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 8th sentence. Yes, ma'am. Hina spoke rudely that almost immediately she regretted it.
Okay, that
Yes, ma'am.
Hina spoke rudely that almost immediately she regretted it. Okay, accepted. Any other possible?
Ma'am, I have.
Yes, please ask. I muted you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the sixth sentence, can we write either you can stay and finish this assignment or you can complete it at home today?
Either you can stay and finish this assignment or you can complete. Yes, aa sakta hai beta. This is again a choice. Ask. Okay. Madhav. Gorish, I muted
Ma'am,
you.
ninth.
Yes, Madhav. 9th.
She has planned the trip well, so they will have a good time.
She has planned the trip well, so they will have a good time. Okay. She has planned the trip so well that they will have a good time. So that bhi aa sakta or simply so bhi aa sakta. Okay. So 8th one beta. 8th one में और क्या-क्या possibility हो सकती है? Hina spoke rudely. So almost immediately she regretted it. That. Okay, that is correct. Next, please. Gorish. Number 10.
Ma'am, I'm not sure about the conjunction, but ma'am, I think so because.
Speak up the whole sentence, please.
Yes, ma'am. Umang will take Ravi to the station because Ravi wants him to.
Okay, because आ सकता है. If भी आ
And ma'am,
सकता है,
in
because भी आ सकता है. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. In 8th sentence, can we write but?
Hina spoke rudely, but almost immediately she regretted it. Okay, ये भी आ सकता है. और I was thinking कि no sooner भी आ सकता है. I told you yesterday that immediately में हमेशा no sooner होता है ना. So you can write down like this: no sooner had Hina spoken rudely, ठीक है? Then she regretted it. So this is a different sentence. You can write with no sooner also. No sooner had Hina spoken rudely, then she regretted. Okay, next one is Hargun again, then Jasmine, then Saksham Samar. One by one.
The program was well organized as it started and ended on time.
The program was well organized as it started and ended on time. Okay. What is the other possibility, other students? Yes, Jasmine.
As or because. As it started and ended on time, or because also.
Okay, Saksham Samar, what do you think? Number 11.
Yes, ma'am. The program was not only well organized, but also started and ended on time.
Okay, correct. It was not only well organized, but also started and ended on time. इसमें so that भी आ सकता है. The program was so organized that it ended and started on time. ठीक है? So that not only, इसमें बहुत सारी options हैं. Because भी आ सकता है, as भी आ सकता है, so भी आ सकता है in fact. ठीक है? Okay, next one please. Bishop.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me number 12.
You are only 17, so you cannot vote.
So you can't vote. Exactly. Next. Jyotin. Jyotin, number 13.
Ma'am, I think if.
Speak up the whole sentence, beta. Join the sentence. आपको पूरा आंसर बताना.
Our car tire was punctured if the journey was smooth.
If the journey, if is used for condition. Okay, let me ask others. I'm going to unmute 2-3 students together. They can tell their answers.
Yes, ma'am. Our car tire was punctured before that the journey was smooth.
Or
Ma'am, although can be there. Although our car tire was punctured, the journey was smooth.
okay, in the beginning, although, and in the middle, you can write down. Karthik, what did you say?
मैम मैंने बोला था बिफोर दैट.
Before,
मैम बट आ सकता है.
but भी आ सकता है. Still भी आ सकता
And
है.
ma'am, in this, can we write that until our car tire was punctured, the journey was smooth?
Journey was smooth until our car was punctured. Yes, आ सकता है बेटा. बिल्कुल. Okay, next one. Again, I'm going to unmute 5 students. They can tell me their 14th answer.
Ma'am, neither Sohail can't blame me or he.
Neither Sohail can't blame me. Can't negative है तो neither में negative चला गया बेटा. Repeat your sentence again, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am. 14 sentence.
14.
Yes, ma'am. Neither Sohail can't blame me nor he can't blame Srinath.
Okay, find out the mistake, Ifsa. Ifsa, is he correct?
Yes.
Okay. Your voice is cracking. Okay, Raghav, is he correct?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Sohail neither blame me, he nor blames Srinath.
Okay, beta, जब neither nor हम use करते हैं, we are not supposed to use not again. So Gaurish, you said Sohail, neither Sohail cannot. No, can't नहीं आएगा, can आएगा, ठीक है? Sohail can neither blame me nor Srinath. Can आ जाएगा, can't को काट दो. Sohail can or Srinath. Or simply write down Sohail can't blame me and Srinath. Anyone else? Any option? Please repeat the answer. Madhav, repeat the answer.
मैम हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं सोहेल कांट ब्लेम मी नीदर ही कैन ब्लेम श्रीनाथ.
Not लिख दो फिर बेटा. ठीक है? If you want to use single, then single में हम nor use करते हैं, neither नहीं, ठीक है? So Sohail can't blame me, nor he can blame Srinath. Okay. The other option, please.
Ma'am, I think 14 same ही था, ma'am, neither nor.
Anyone can speak. I have unmuted 560.
Ma'am, so Sachin was not
Sachin
well,
was not
but he
well,
played
but
the
he
whole
played
match.
the whole match. But he played the
But
whole match.
still,
मैम स्टिल
Yet
and still
it was not ball match.
Excuse me, ma'am.
beginning, or Sachin was not well. Still, he played his whole match, but he played his whole match. ये middle में आएगा, and this can be written in the beginning. ठीक है? So this was the exercise. How much time we have? Let me see. 1 minute only. So okay, then this is the end of the topic. I hope everything is clear. Monday we'll start our new chapter or new writing skill. Debate writing we'll do on Monday. So please attend the class on Monday because this is a new topic for you. Debate writing. So this is a new topic. Okay. So I'm just ending the meeting. I hope everything is clear. If you have doubt, please show me heart emoji so that I can give you chance. Yes, Savya. Then Jasmine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in 14th sentence, can we write Sohail can't blame me and Srinath?
Okay, I'll accept it. It can come. Okay. Jasmine,
Okay,
please ask your question.
Ma'am, please tell me the answer of 10th question.
Can you speak the question, please?
Umang will take Ravi to the station Ravi wants him to.
Then see the board. If or because.
Okay, ma'am.
और
Thank
मैम
you, ma'am.
जो फिफ्थ सेंटेंस है उसमें अगर हमने स्टार्टिंग में ऑल्दो लगाया तो फुल स्टॉप जो है वो कॉमा में चेंज हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, बेटा. Although के बाद कॉमा आ जाता है second sentence. Yes, exactly. Anyone show me heart emojis. After that, I'll just end up the meeting. No one. Okay. So we'll meet on Monday. Jasmine, last doubt. Hurry up, please. Yes, Jasmine.
जो लास्ट वाला सेंटेंस है मैम वहाँ पे येट था सकता येट
Speak the sentence, beta. I have closed my book. Yes, please.
Sachin not well yet take ball match.
Yet आ सकता है बेटा. Yet भी opposite के लिए होता है. आ सकता है. चलो बेटा, take care and please turn on your video on Monday also.